to my friend's wife's birthday party. So I look forward to meet my colleagues as well there. So hopefully I'm gonna have a blast time. I'll see you when I'm there. I don't know if you can hear me. It is very loud, but I am having a blast time. I'm really enjoying here. So I'm here, yeah, for one more reason, to see George, Martin's son. He's a very good drum player. So hopefully I'm gonna see him playing the drums. Are you enjoying the party, Ryan?
That's all right, yeah.
Yeah.
You can bring in a flash camera.
Yeah.
Hold on. I take my hat off actually.
Alright, this is not a picture, this is a movie.
Oh my god, look at this.
Look
This
at
is amazing.
And I believe there may be some cake.
That's lighter. How have you done that? How to get it that light?
Oh, Rui's got it. She captured it, mate. For
Okay,
YouTube.
and we'll sing happy
Hang on.
birthday.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wicked.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karen. Happy birthday to you.
This is what I call a blast, guys. This is what I call a party. Yeah! Look at this. Give me a shot. Yeah! Come on, good one, spot.
You're not going to use this in your videos, are you?
Yeah.
I mean, not even this in your content. I didn't have a concert, we do this every day.
Good man, good.
Oh, hi, alright. It's just at the party.
Guitar, and the piano is
Cheers!
always the medium.
Cheers, well done.
Yeah, but
Cheers.
this is Ruiz, and this is Ruiz actually. Believe it or not. It don't make it look better.
You're off by there. It makes a funny sound though.
You mean we'll practice as well?
I'm going to spoons.
Listen, you started off by going duck and stuff.
Like you, I guess that's
Excellent, thank you. We'll be back, thank you.
Hold on. Yes, George is so cute, man. I am very impressed by his playing the drum. I love him. At least click on thumbs for George. He played very well. He is a future star, guys. And I hope to see you in my next clip. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.